Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cyberscrawl. In our previous video, we successfully created an Active Directory domain server on Windows Server 2025 with the domain thecyberscrawl.com. Today I will show you how to join a Windows 11 computer to that Active Directory domain. This will allow you to centrally manage user accounts, apply group policies, and secure your network. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's make sure we have everything ready. First, your Active Directory domain controller should be up and running. Second, your Windows 11 computer should be on the same network as your domain controller. And third, you will need domain administrator credentials. Let's verify these prerequisites. The first and most important step is to configure the DNS settings on your Windows 11 computer. Your client computer needs to point to your domain controller as its DNS server. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then click on Properties for your active network connection. Scroll down and click on Edit next to DNS Server Assignment. Change it from automatic to manual. Enable IPv4 and enter the IP address of your domain controller. In my case, that's 10.213.159.29 and click on Save. Let's verify that our DNS is working correctly. Open Command Prompt and type nslookup your domain name. In my case, it's thecyberscrawl.com and press Enter. You should see the IP address of your domain controller. In my case, it's 10.213.159.29. This confirms that your computer can resolve the domain name. Next, let's ping the domain controller by typing ping domain name. If you get replies, your network connectivity is good. Now we are ready to join the domain. Right-click on this PC on your desktop or in File Explorer and select Properties. In Windows 11, this will open the System Settings page. Scroll down and click on Advanced System Settings on the right side. This will open the System Properties dialog box. In the System Properties window, click on the Computer Name tab. Here you can see your current computer name and workgroup. Right now it shows that this computer is part of workgroup called workgroup. To join a domain, click on the Change button. In the Computer Name/Domain Changes dialog, you can optionally rename your computer to something more meaningful. I'll change it to Client01. Then, under the Member Of, select the Domain Radio button and type your domain name. In our case, it's thecyberscrawl.com. Make sure you enter the full domain name correctly and click OK. A Windows security prompt will appear asking for credentials. You need to provide a user account that has permission to join computers to the domain. Enter your domain administrator username. You can use administrator or the cyberscrawl/administrator or administrator@cyberscrawl.com. Then enter your domain admin password and click OK. If everything is configured correctly, you will see a welcome message saying, "Welcome to the cyberscrawl.com domain." This confirms that your computer has successfully joined the domain. Click OK. Next, you will see a message saying you must restart your computer to apply these changes. Click OK on this message. Then, click Close on the System Properties window. You will be prompted to restart now or restart later. I recommend clicking Restart Now so the changes take effect immediately. After the restart, you will notice the login screen looks different. On the login screen, click on Other User if it's not already selected. Now you can log in with your domain credentials. Notice it says Sign in to the Cyberscrawl at the bottom. Enter a domain username such as administrator or JDO if you created that test user in the previous video. Enter the password and sign in. Once logged in, let's verify that we are actually connected to the domain. Right-click this PC, select Properties, and in Windows 11, you will see the System Information page. Look for device specifications, and you will see the computer name is Client01. Scroll down to Related Settings, and you will see Domain showing the cyberscrawl.com. This confirms our domain join was successful. Let's also verify from the command prompt. Open CMD and type systeminfo and press Enter. Scroll up and look for Domain. It should show the cyberscrawl.com. Another quick command is echo space user domain, which will display your current domain name. You can also type who am I to see your logged in domain user account. Now let's go back to our domain controller and verify that the computer has been added. Log into your domain controller DC01 and open Server Manager. Click on Tools and select Active Directory Users and Computers. Expand your domain, thecyberscroll.com, and click on the Computers container. You should see your newly joined computer, Client01, listed here. This confirms that the computer object has been created in Active Directory. Let's check the details of a computer object. Right-click on Client01 and select Properties. Here you can see various information about the computer, including its DNS name, operating system, and when it joined the domain. On the Operating System tab, you can see it's running Windows 10 or Windows 11. The Member of tab shows which group this computer belongs to. By default, it's a member of the Domain Computers group. Now that you know the process, you can join multiple Windows 11 computers to your domain using the same steps. Just remember, configure DNS first, then go to System Settings, Advanced System Settings, Computer Name tab, click Change, select Domain, enter domain name, provide your domain credentials, and restart. After restart, you can log in with the domain accounts just like we did. Before we wrap up, let's quickly cover some common issues you might encounter with Windows 11. If you get an error saying the specified domain either does not exist or could not be contacted, double check your DNS settings. It must point to your domain controller's IP address. If you get an error about credentials, make sure you are using a domain administrator account. And if the computer name already exists in Active Directory, you will need to either remove the old computer object or use a different name. And that's it. You have successfully joined your Windows 11 computer to your Active Directory domain. Your computer can now be centrally managed, and users can log in with their domain credentials from any domain joined computer. In the next video, we will deep dive into creating organizational units for both users and computers, managing user accounts, and organizing your Active Directory environment efficiently. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe to the Cyberscroll, and check out the playlist for more Active Directory tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.